Guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to talk about a side effect of Mounjaro that I've been dealing with lately and wanted to get some interaction on this video of what your current side effects are with Mounjaro after this intro. Guys, today I'm going to talk about a common side effect that I have just recently noticed that I've been doing, and all along I knew that this was a side effect, but I have just realized that I've been dealing with it since day one. What is that side effect? Chills. I noticed that when I started taking this medication, I started noticing after about a month or two constipation really bad. I'd noticed that each time I went up in the dose, it got more severe. When I got to 12.5, it was so bad I thought I was going to stay at 2.5. Thought I was going to stay at 12.5. I ended up moving to 15 because it did get better. I did make a video on this that I started to use certain things like Marilax to help with that problem at the time, and I ended up getting better and moving past that. Moved to the 15, lost more weight. A1C is still great. Been on 15 milligrams now for, I want to say, almost 2 months now, and it's great, guys. I love it. I'm still enjoying that $25 coupon that a lot of people are having problems with getting filled. As far as I know, people are having to pay several hundreds of dollars now to get this medication. So like I said, I've been on this medication since June of last year and been dealing with chills ever since. When I started in June, I work in an office. I was freezing every day in the office. I started using a space heater, started feeling like maybe it was blood circulation issues. I do deal with neuropathy as a type 2 diabetic for the last 14 years. I've been just dealing with neuropathy from high blood sugars over the years. Now that I have them under control, it is getting better. I do take a supplement for this, and I also take gabapentin for it. So it does help with neuropathy pain. If you have neuropathy pain, drop a comment below. If you have questions about things that might help you with neuropathy pain, go ahead and ask me. I would love to help you and tell you what's worked for me. But this video was just to go over the fact that I've been dealing with this chills side effect since June of last year. If you struggle with chills when you take Mounjaro, go ahead and drop the comment below, because I would like to interact with you guys, my community. I'd like to help you with things that I've discovered that has helped me. That's what this channel is about, helping others discover what helps them. I've been on Mounjaro, as I said, since June. I'm at 15 milligrams. I've lost, on my weight loss journey, I've lost over 100 pounds. So I was at 300 pounds. I have a video montage of pictures going from 300 pounds down to 195. I've got several videos of supplements that I've taken that helps and things like that to help you. This channel is not just about Mounjaro. I talk about Mounjaro a lot on this channel. I do review other things. I talk about diabetic medications in general. I talk about hair loss because I am a man with male pattern baldness, and a lot of guys can relate that watch these videos that you have male pattern baldness and you struggle with hair loss. Maybe women struggle with hair loss. My wife, she struggles with hair loss, taking tamoxifen. She has breast cancer. In fact, it was 1 year today when we discovered that she has breast cancer. And man, it is a sombering day today, but man, it's been good because it could have been a lot worse. She still struggles with a lot of stuff. So guys, if you can keep her in prayer, her name is Tara. I struggle with chills, guys, and I hope that if you can relate, that you can drop comments below, share your story. How did you get started on Mounjaro? Where are you at now? What have you discovered that works really good for you? What have you discovered that's been really bad for you on Mounjaro? Let's make this an interactive forum in the comments below, guys. I want to help you guys out, and I hope that you guys can help others out. Drop a comment, because that comment may help somebody else as well. Your issue may not be something that I've dealt with. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this channel. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell, because it does truly help with this channel. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching these videos and subscribing if you have, because I have just hit 1,000 subscribers, which is a great big milestone for me. My whole purpose is to just get this out to the masses. So when I set little goals like this, I know that it is reaching people for the good. Thank you guys so much. God bless you. I'll see you on the next video.